Hello, today I'm going to show you how to check your car by using the OBD2 scanner. Let's start. Open the driver's side and look at the pedals. On the left side of it, there is the little cover, as you can see. On the right side of the lever for the car hood. There it is, the OBD2 port. There you're able to plug in your device. And now, as you can see, there is power inside your machine. The OBD2 scanner are able to check your computer system inside your car and give you some information about your car and so many information about failure codes, and you are able to delete or reset the failures. Read and delete some failure codes and have a look about your button information, like your rounds per minute, engine runs, some special devices inside your car. Everything I'll check able by this easy to use OBD2 scanner, as you can see. Okay, if you finish your work, unplug the plug and reassemble the cover by pushing it up. And that's it is. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give him positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.